are we doing today, Huey? What are we going to do today?
So today we're going to stick a bullnose across this platform without ripping it to bits. So we're going to stick a bullnose across here, and then we're going to wrap this carpet round it, and then we're going to put a runner on these 2 steps. And we'll show you from start to finish, bit by bit. So now what we're going to do is just going to put it out the sink. So now we're going to put this here like this. We've screwed it, so basically I did countersink some of them, but some of them I've just driven home, and it is solid now. So that's pretty much that. So the bullnose is on. So now we're going to wrap this carpet, and we'll show you what it looks like once it's on. So we've got 2 runners here. We've got one with tape, which we've made, and we've got one that we've just whipped. So let's have a look at the one that's just whipped first. So that's the one that's just been whipped.
The other one. That looks nice. It does look nice.
It does, that looks cool, that. Sometimes less is more.
Yeah. Let's have a quick look at the border.
Apologies for the mess on the stairs, but we will clean that up in a moment. We just wanted to show what the runner looks like before we fit it. And this is the one with the tape. That looks quite nice as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does look quite nice. Not too much.
So we're going to go with the whipped one, not the taped one.
It's 2 steps. It's probably
because it's 2 steps, yeah. So we'll pop this one on, and then once it's on, we'll show you the finish once we've wrapped it around the bullnose and everything. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to measure the insert of this runner for the underlay. So I'm going to do this at 68 centimeters, and the runner is 73. So roughly two centimeters off each side, and that'll just give it enough so it, once it's fitted, it won't be sitting up. And obviously when you come into the room, if it's too far to the edge, too close, you'll be able to see the underlay. So we don't want that. So we'll see what 2 centimeters looks like and see if it dips. If not, then we'll just cut it back a little bit more. Underlay on the nosing. Obviously they're 2 different underlays. So we've got tread air, colours red, that's on the platform, and we've got power step on the edge of this because we didn't have any more of the colours red. So what we're going to do is just across the nose, on the face of the nose, we're just going to run our knife down like so, right the way across, So what this does, it will stop the carpet wearing on the edge of the nosing. So as you can see, when we wrap it now, it's gonna, the underlay will sit across the face of the nose. So now what I'll do is bend this slightly. Right, we're just going to pop this in and then we'll show you what it looks like in a second. So what I've done now, I've taken the excess off the sides.
You mean the excess?
Excess. Now I'm just going to put a little turn on that because we've got no underlay in there. That sits nice and flush in now. Tuck on that. I'll learn to speak properly one day, I suppose.
Probably not.
Probably not. Probably, yeah. So, as you can see, we put a turn there, so once we pin it now, it will look lovely and so it won't fray on the edge. So now we'll put some pins in this.
I want to get some earmuffs.
Some earmuffs.
Ear defenders.
I don't know about that. Tighten that up in a second. Excuse the heavy breathing. I'm very out of shape. It's a bit of understatement, that is. Oh God. So. And we'll just run our knife down the back here.
A fucking more staples in, mate.
No, I will do, yeah. Do you want to come and do it?
I'm just saying. So what are you doing there now, Huey?
So I'm just cutting the grippers to size. You ain't got to be exact. I'm hitting you with them now. So what we're going to do with this, we're going to do a Hollywood style. Let's go.
Hollywood where you put it right under the bullnose.
That's correct. So we go here. Nice. We're just going to cut just underneath the nose.
That one means the carpet doesn't wear out.
Yeah, it won't wear as quick, yeah. Obviously, if you've got a raw edge and the carpet's just pressing against it, it wouldn't last.
So on this one, why are we not putting the other grip? Are we putting another grip?
Because we're doing it Hollywood style.
Right. So we only need one gripper on the other side. We don't need gripper on the visor.
No. And if you overcut your underlay, just slice it back a little bit. I mean, I could have left that one there, but...
Yeah, well you wouldn't see it from the other side.
No.
Unless you,
But it just, yeah.
your head down there.
As true as that if you do. Right, let's have a measure up.